Welcome to your local marketing audit. Here you can generate a marketing audit that gives you website performance, things like local search rankings, as well as a heat map for SEO. Click on Generate Report now and you'll have to enter in some of your information. So let's put in some information about your business. We'll say this is a Jimmy John's, maybe Jimmy Jones. Enter in your business address details, city, website, and Google Business Profile if you have one. If you click on Find or manually import it, you can search for a business here. We'll find Jimmy John's, Hewitt Drive in Waco, Texas. We'll generate this report. Now that your report has generated, you can do a quick overview of your business profile. So let's work our way from the top to bottom. If you ever want to go and update it, you can click on the refresh button in the upper right hand corner. You can also look at your report timeline for past updates of this audit. You can click on Export the PDF, or click on the three dots to share report, or click on the settings. Underneath settings, you can update the business name, phone number, address, country, state, city, zip code, website, and other details. You can also click on the report generation to update it to a monthly, quarterly, or manual generation. You can also enable email reports if you'd like to send this to particular users in your account. If you click on Report Sections, you can see all of the available report sections if you want to hide one of them, just in case you don't want those to be viewed whenever you click on the Export to PDF. Working our way from top to bottom, we'll see an overview score of a 49%. This takes an overview of the performance of business details, a techno stack, Google Business Profile, listings, online reputation, website performance, and SEO analysis. Looking at the business details, we can see that there's not a chat widget on the website. The text-enabled business number is activated. Website hosting is not. In the techno stack, we can see which ones of these pixels and trackers are set up or not. Below here, we can see the Google Business Profile is verified. So we're happy with 100%. But listings is not looking so great. Business name isn't accurate, address and phone is not accurate on most listing sites online. It'll give you an overview of Google, Facebook, Yelp, and many others that do not have the listings accurate. You can click through multiple pages here. Scrolling down to online reputation, we can see that it is searching for additional Google My Business ratings and Facebook ratings. So do not discount the 0% just yet. It may take a little bit more time for this analysis to run. Website performance looks great with a mobile score of 3.7 seconds and a desktop of 1.1 seconds. You have a page speed score right here, and you can click on this drop down to see additional details. Underneath the SEO analysis, you can see that Jimmy Jones, which is actually Jimmy John's, has a sandwich shop as the dedicated keyword. If you scroll down, you can see which heat map and the performance of those keywords. If you would like to update this, click on the grid points, update that to a different size, change the mileage, and then you can import a keyword such as fast food. Once you're happy with the new keyword, click on Run Local Search. Now you can see that Jimmy Jones or Jimmy John's is not performing very well underneath the keyword fast food. You can then scroll down and see the high performers in the area. This will give you a little bit of motivation to rank this particular location. If you scroll back up to the top and you click on Compare Results, you can actually look at your business and then add a competitor. Clicking on Add and Compare, you can type in additional options, such as Chick-fil-A or maybe Subway. You'll have to give it a little bit of time and then it'll pull an overall score for your competitors or for this business's competitors. You'll see the score, and that'll give you a little bit more motivation, or if you're reaching out to this business to do business with them, this will give you a good fundamental baseline to compare to their competitors.